How to fix system restore did not complete successfully error on Windows. 1. Choose a different restore point. 2. Enable turn on system protection option. 3. Run system restore tool in Windows safe mode. 4. Enable the system restore services. 5. Enable the System Restore tool at Computer Configuration Administrative Template System Restore via the local group policy editor. 6. Enable the System Restore tool via the Registry Editor. 6.1 Go to HKey_local_machine software policies Microsoft Windows NT System Restore in Registry. 6.2 Set 0 to disable config. 6.3 Set 0 to disable SR. 6.4 Close Registry Editor, and restart your Windows. 7. Temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall. 8. Restore your system in Windows Clean Boot.